All right, everyone, barriers up. Clear the ramp.
Watch the gate on the left.
Keep them moving, nice and steady. Watch the ramp on the left. Keep them moving to the right. Clear the gate up ahead, please.
Welcome to Epic Factory, where state-of-the-art technology meets agricultural precision on an unprecedented scale.
The hydration levels look good on the panel.
Yes, they are stabilising well for the transfer tomorrow.
Check the biometric data here. Looks like the intake levels are stable.
Good. Let's finalize the report.
Scan the microchip now. Reading confirmed, 729er. Good, move to the next one. Heart rate is strong, lungs are clear, lymph nodes normal.
Confirmed. Vitals logged.
The stitching is perfect here.
Yeah.
Yes, this batch is excellent. Approved.